Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to download DAZN application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download the DAZN application on your iPhone is easy. Open up your App Store and go to the search box at the top. Type in DAZN and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. DAZN is a streaming service which allows live and on-demand sport contents to its viewers. The app is available on Android, iOS, smart TVs and gaming consoles. To get the application downloaded on your iPhone, tap on Get. Now, wait for the app to be downloaded, which will only take a few minutes. But make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once the application is downloaded and once it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button. Tap on Open to launch open the app. That is how you can easily download DAZN application for your iPhone. You can now go ahead and start watching your favorite sport contents after signing up for an account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.